Hello guys, today's video is a home daycare haul. A home daycare. I have a bunch of random things I've purchased just over the last couple of weeks. I've been trying to add some pops of green into our home decor. For those who have seen my house, it's very like black, white, monochromatic type vibes. And as much as I still love the black, white vibes, I just want a little bit of green, a little bit of nature, or faux nature. This is my only real plant behind me, and although she's got brown tips, it's a 7-year-old Paisley and she is thriving, but I'm not sure if I could dedicate my time to even more fake plants. I mean real plants. I can to fake plants, not real plants. So anyway, we might as well get started with the actual fake plants that I got. So I picked up these from a beautiful homewares boutique in my hometown called Gorgeousness Home. I am obsessed with their things. They have, oh, I could spend so much money there, guys. You have no idea. But the first thing I got is this little faux plant. I actually got a whole heap of them. So in the kitchen, I have a bunch of them in a really big vase. And then I had this decanter, and I thought, I might put one of these in a decanter. And it just looks so simple and pretty on my haul table. I feel like it's not too much foliage, but what's really cool about it is see how it's meant to like replicate like a water plant. So it's got the root system and stuff, which is so cool. It's quite a good fake. Like the leaves are a little bit shiny, but I feel like the detail on them is pretty realistic. Like it's getting up there. Like I said, you can still tell it's a fake plant, but I think it's a pretty good one. And I love how the big bunch of them look in the kitchen as well. This decanter is really old. It's one of Mum and Dad's actually, so I have no idea where they got that from. And then I picked up this gorgeous vessel and also these faux native plants. I just thought they were gorgeous. I love a little native plant moment these days, and this vessel I thought was so stunning because of the gorgeous like texture to it. So it's a white, sort of an off-white color, and it's like super textured. I don't really know how to explain it. It's just gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of concrete, like it looks like concrete. And then the faux natives look so real. These are really good fakes. Like I'm very impressed with these bunches. They were kind of pricey, like $70 per bunch, and there's 2 bunches in there. So, you know, you got to sort of splurge to get the good faux. And then Mum actually got me this. It is a giant candle, and it has 4 wood wicks. So when I eventually light this up, it is going to sound like the most glorious open fire crackling away. And it's in this beautiful concrete bowl, which I'll be able to reuse as well once we actually light this. I don't even know if I'm going to light it. I might, but I might save it for winter. It's a beautiful like vanilla-y smell. What's the fragrance? Vanilla, saffron and white musk. It is divine, and it's so fragrant that you don't even need to light it to be able to like take advantage of the beautiful fragrance, because it just, you can smell it wherever it sits. I've been keeping it in my kitchen, and every time I walk into the kitchen I can smell this candle. I just think it's so beautiful. I got it in the white concrete, and they do have like a grey and also a black, and I just think it's gorgeous. It's such a huge candle. If you're a candle lover, then I know you're probably frothing on it as much as I did. And I love wood wicks. I love the sound of them. I think they're just beautiful, the sound of like a real fire. But I just don't know if I actually want to burn this or not. We shall see. We shall see. And next up, I ventured into Pillow Talk. I love Pillow Talk's range. I think they have so many beautiful homewares. I love their sheets as well. And I picked up some cushions, some placemats, and some tea towels. And the cushions I got are just gorgeous. Like, how amazing is this print? So it's like, I don't even know what type of leaves it is, but it's like a greenery leaf print. And then it's got the beautiful sort of, what's the color? Cream little frills. Oh, it's blowing fluff everywhere. But I just think it's so beautiful. I love the color green that's actually on this cushion. I feel like it's a really moody, nice little hint of color to go in our black and white space. And I love the little frills. They're really nice, sturdy fabric as well. So they're not like super squishy cushions. They're really structured cushions. So they're not going to slump down on your couch. I think they just look so pretty. So I got 2 of them. I love them. Like, oh, that print. Guys, it's just gorgeous. Then because we're still on theme with the green and the leaves, foliage, I got this tea towel. I won't actually use it because it'll just get filthy because it's majority white with the print on it. But isn't that print beautiful? Let me turn around this way. It's like palm trees and ferns and stuff. Is it palm trees? Or are they ferns? I don't know. Palm trees, ferns, something, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. So this is hanging on my oven at the moment as just like a little accent piece. Like it's not actually to use, but I did buy some tea towels to use as well. This is more like a cotton feeling fabric. So these I just feel like are to look nice. I don't usually use them to wipe my hands or anything. I love microfiber tea towels to actually use to like clean dishes and wipe my hands and everything. So I got this pack of microfiber towels, and yet again, gorgeous green color. We also have a leaf. I just spat as well. Gosh, this is going well. A leaf print. So it was a pack of 3. So we got 2 different textured green tea towels and then this beautiful print. So these ones hang on my dishwasher and they're to actually use. Does anyone else have those sort of rules in their house? Like you've got things in your kitchen that are to use and things in your kitchen that are simply to look at, because that's how we roll in my house. But I really like these microfiber tea towels, and I also got a set of the dishcloths as well. And I just love that green color. Then next up, I also got some new placemats. So I just thought these were stunning. Trying to add like a little bit of warmth back into the house. And I thought a good way to do that would be with like some natural colors as well. And when I saw these placemats, I just thought they were so pretty. Like I love how they look like a flower. These are, these were like $10 each, I think. Yeah, $9.95. So I didn't think that was too bad. They did have a table runner in this as well, which I feel like I should have gotten. So I might go back and get it this weekend. I'm not too sure. But I just think they're gorgeous. Like I just love the texture of them, the color of them, and the pattern. I just think they're so pretty. So pretty. Then only like this week, a dusk store has opened up in our shopping center. So Dusk is like a candle store, and they also do diffusers and everything. I've got a diffuser over to the side there, which you can't see, but I picked up some new oils for my diffuser. I got Amber Nights and Wild Lotus. So Amber Nights is patchouli, I think is how you say it, and vanilla, and it's a really like, it's like a woody scent with sweet accents is the best way I can describe it. I love the smell of amber. Like if amber's in any sort of fragrance, I'm here for it because I just think it's delicious smelling, and this has not disappointed. It's a really nice like warm sweet smell, and I love having candles and fragrant oils and stuff going all the time because I just want my house to smell delicious. And then the Wild Lotus one is actually lotus and Japanese pear. Now I love the smell of like French pear candles and stuff, so when I sniff this, oh, I wasn't sure about the lotus because I'm not much of a floral fragrance person, but the smell of this, oh, it is amazing. The lotus, I feel like, just sort of anchors the sweetness of the pear smell. So it's a really gorgeous smell. Like it's not too sickly sweet, but it gives you like all those delicious, yummy sensations in your nostrils, if that makes any sense at all. And then last but certainly not least, I had to duck into one of the homewares stores. I think it's called My House, because I needed a new avocado pod. I originally had one that had like the strap over it, and the strap broke. So I got a new avocado pod, and as you can see, it's like this little container that has a stretchy silicone lid. So it helps to stop your avocados from going brown. They'll still go brown in it, but not as quickly. And then I saw they had these watermelon freezer pops, and I had to grab them because I definitely want to start making London some icy poles. It's about to get warm here. I'm saying that it's been like a horrible week. It's been rainy and cold again, but we have had some nice weather and summer is fast approaching. So I wanted to be able to make London some homemade icy poles for her to suck on in summer. She still has no teeth yet at the moment too, but I figure that's bound to happen between now and like the next 6 months. So I thought it'd be a good idea to have these ready to go for when she starts cutting some teeth. And then I got a little collapsible funnel because I just thought that would come in handy, you know. Like there's been many times that I have been like, oh gosh, I need a funnel, and I just don't have one. I've never owned one. So I got a little collapsible one because at least then it's easier to store in the cupboard, and it was like $3. all their stuff is on sale at the moment. I swear that they're in like a permanent closing down sale branding. Like they have been closing down, I think now for 3 years. Like there's big signs everywhere, closing down, heavily reduced, but yet they keep getting stock delivered and they never close down. So I'm assuming it's a marketing thing, but that's fine. I'm here for it because I get suckered into that sort of stuff. So I believe that's all my latest home decor purchases. I don't know how long this video was. It may have been quick. I may have rambled a lot. This is like a one-take video. I have not paused and retaken any of these speaking bits because time is precious these days now. I'm a mum. I've got short windows that I need to get shit done. So I'm hoping this turns out okay. I did actually do a poll on Instagram as well, asking what videos you guys wanted to see next, and the majority voted a homewares haul. So I hope it lived up to the expectations of those of you who wanted to see this. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section what your favorite thing from the haul is. I'm gonna say my favorite, I think, is actually the cushions. I just think these are so beautiful. Like, are you kidding me? Stunning. Actually, I might try and take a thumbnail right now. Let me get me cushions. See, now I've got dogs barking at me. Let's see if I can take a thumbnail. Anywho, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be talking to you in the comments section. I'll be talking to you in the comments section and in the next video. Bye. Now let me go get my naughty dog.